Got a flat and need a tire? Or maybe a new set of 4? How do you know you're getting the right tires for your vehicle? We'll help you find the perfect match. With over 4 million tires in stock, we can help you find the best tires, wheels, and deals. It's easy to get started. Tell us about your vehicle, like your make, model, and style. Then filter by category, like winter, all season, high performance, or off-road tires. Delivery is fast, sometimes even the same day you order. Choose a local installer from our network of 9,000 shops, and we'll ship them for free. Then set up an appointment for easy professional installation. With our 45-day satisfaction guarantee, you've got plenty of time to try them out and return them if they aren't a perfect match. But we know you'll drive away with a smile at how easy it is to get new tires. Using TireBuyer is easy, fast, and trouble-free. Get top brand tires, free delivery, and award-winning service with TireBuyer. Visit TireBuyer.com to learn more.